Hello guys, I have a quick recipe for you today. I'm gonna call it adult lemonade. Adult lemonade. Yes, you're gonna need your lemons. I have some lemon juice here. If you have the real deal, then go ahead and use real lemons, 3 or 4 according to your taste. Now I'm just gonna pour some. That's about 3-4 lemons equivalent. And then I'm going to get me some brown sugar. You can always use white cane sugar if you want, but I'm partial to brown sugar. The sugar is also according to your taste. Now I'm going to sweeten this off camera and come back, and I'm going to show you the ingredient that makes it adult lemonade. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. If you are one of my subscribers who have been with me for a while, and if you're new, welcome, welcome. Thank you everybody. Put all the lemon juice and the sugar in, and you're going to just sweeten that. Still needs a little bit more sweetening. I'm going to sweeten it off camera and come back. Now you're going to just pour the desired amount into a glass. And I must remember to tell you that this was chilled water from the refrigerator. This recipe, this drink recipe, is best served with chilled water. You can add ice if you want, but it's going to dilute the taste. Now, what makes this recipe adult lemonade is this right here. This Ray and Nephew overproof rum, 100% overproof rum. It is very strong, so I'm just going to pour about one cork of this overproof rum. If you want half, go ahead and select a half. I'm gonna put it on there. Okay guys, so after you have put the overproof rum in it, I'm going to give it a bit of a stir, and there you have your lovely, lovely adult lemonade. Very good. Thank you for watching.